proceeding go on, sir.
That all the 7 accused have been acquitted. There was no evidence that has been found by the court, that has been noted by the court, whether it is Sadhvi Pragya or Colonel Purohit. I'll just request my video journalist to show the visuals there outside, because all the 7 accused, including Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, Sadhvi Pragya, Ajay Rahirkar, Ramesh Upadhyay, Sudhakar Chaturvedi, Sudhakar Trivedi and Samir Kulkarni, all 7 accused have been acquitted. And there is important observation that is being taken note by the court, because while dictating the order, where the court has clearly mentioned that there are no evidence against Purohit, where there's no evidence of Purohit brought RDS from Kashmir. The Panchanama was incorrect, handprints were not recovered, there was error in the investigation. Not only this, but no evidence of bullet that was found at the time of the incident. And also court has noted that the chassis number of the motorcycle was not recovered, after which it could not be proven that Sadhvi Pragya was the owner of that bike. Not only this, but many witnesses turned hostile. This is what the court has observed. So after which there was a detail, it was an objective part which was read by the court, and court has clearly mentioned there was no evidence that has been filed. Also UAPA has also not been come into the mark, and that has not also been sanctioned. That is something the court has made a very important observation, after which all 7 accused, including Colonel Purohit and Sadhvi Pragya, has been acquitted.
आपको